Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iOS 18 emojis on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search iOS 18 emojis. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on this blue arrow at the right side of your screen. Now from here, tap on Done. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, tap on iPhone keyboard. Now from here, tap on Enable. Now from here, just tap on Off to enable the iOS keyboard. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you enable the iOS keyboard, just go back. Now from here, tap on Select. Now from here, just change the input method from Gboard to iOS style emojis. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, just select the language of your keyboard. We will select English and tap on Done. Now from here, just tap on Emoji Stickers. Now from here, just download these emojis. Now from here, once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the keyboard on your phone. Now as you can see, the iOS keyboard has opened. Now from here, just tap on this emoji icon. Now as you can see, this is how you can get iOS 18 emojis on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.